How to fix no sound through HDMI on Windows. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you fix no sound through HDMI on Windows. In order to fix it, so you'll have to follow the steps. Now first of all, what you can actually do is go ahead and open up your search bar and go to settings. When you open up the settings, you want to go to system, after which you want to go to output, and then you want to click on the arrow icon and select the audio. Now here, what you could actually do is you could actually go ahead and change or some of your format as well, and likewise you could also make sure to enable it if you see tones allowed. At the same time, what you could also do is go to input and make some changes right on this page as well. So here you could go ahead and change your default, and now currently I'm using it, so I am unable to do it. Now here, once you've done it, so you could actually go ahead and close it up and you should be able to fix it. If not, you could also go ahead and open up the settings and go to device manager and click the open button. As you've done it, so what next you want to do is go to audio input and output, and you want to right click on the mouse, or you want to go ahead and expand it, and here these are the default. Now after which, what you want to do is click on it and click on update drivers. Sometimes it should be able to fix it. So, and likewise, if you see disable device, or you could actually go ahead and turn on disable or enable it, so that should be able to fix it. And once you've actually done it, you do the same procedure for others and other options as well. This should be able to fix it. So however, if you're still unable to do it, come back to the same page, right click on the mouse and go to update drivers. Here you could go ahead and click on search automatically for drivers, and this should be able to fix the issue as well. So these are some of the ways in order to fix no sound through HDMI on Windows. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.